Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today is Tuesday, June 28, 2022. It is 4:08 and 37 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, breast cancer screening. So let's hop to it here. The effect of breast cancer screening is declining. A new research result questions whether the benefits of breast cancer screenings has gradually declined to a degree that it is too small in relation to the cost in the form of overdiagnosis and overtreatment. Researchers from Aarhus University are behind. Date June 27, 2022. Source: Aarhus University. The beneficial effect of screening is currently declining because the treatment of cancer is improving. Over the last 25 years, the mortality rate for breast cancer has been virtually halved. According to the researcher, the problem is that screenings lead to both overdiagnosis and overtreatment, which has cost both on a human level and in terms of economy. And when the screening was introduced, the assessment was that around 20% of the deaths from breast cancer among those screened could be averted. While this corresponded to approximately 220 deaths in the year in Denmark 25 years ago, today the number has been halved. The study shows that in 1996, it was necessary to invite 731 women to avoid a single breast cancer death. In Norway, you would have to invite at least 1,364 and probably closer to 3,500 to achieve the same result in 2016. On the other hand, the adverse effects of screening are unchanged. 1 in 5 women aged 50 to 70 who is told they have breast cancer has received a superfluous diagnosis because of screening. Without screening, they would never have noticed or felt that they had breast cancer during their lifetime. 1 to 5 corresponds to 900 women annually in Denmark. In addition, every year more than 5,000 women are told that the screening has given rise to suspicion of breast cancer, a suspicion that later turns out to be incorrect. Women between 50 and 69 are offered a mammogram screening every second year. This is an X-ray examination of the breast, which can show whether the woman has cellular changes that can be breast cancer. The Danish screening program became a national program offered to all women in the age group in 2007. 3 years after the Norwegians, approximately 300,000 Danish women are invited to screening for breast cancer every year. According to the researchers, the challenge is that we are not currently able to tell the difference between small cancer tumors that will kill you and those that will not. And some of these small nodes are so peaceful or slow growing that the woman would die a natural death with undetected breast cancer if she had not been screened. But once a cancer node has been discovered, it must of course be treated, even though this was not necessary for some of the women. We just do not know who. The women who are invited to screening live longer because all breast cancer patients live longer and because we have got better drugs, more effective chemotherapy, and because we now have cancer pathways, which mean the healthcare system reacts faster than it did a year ago. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.